Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest WhatsApp web feature that now lets you reply directly to a message from your sent document. If you have ever shared a file and wanted to respond or follow up from the same spot, this new update makes it super easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. Once it's open, take a look at the left side menu. You'll notice a new media icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is where all your shared media, links, and documents are neatly organized. Next, select Docs. This section shows all the documents you've sent or received. You can scroll through or search for the exact file you're looking for. To make your search even quicker, look at the top of the window and click the sort icon. This helps you arrange your documents in different ways, like by date, name, or sender. Now, here's the key part. After clicking sort, choose the option labeled You. This will filter the documents that were sent by you. Once you've found the document you want to reply to, simply right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. From there, choose Reply. You'll see a message box pop up right below the document preview. Type your reply in the box just like you would in a normal chat. Once you've written what you want to say, click Send. That's it. Your reply will appear directly linked to that document in your chat window, making conversations around files much more organized and efficient. This update is perfect for people who share a lot of work-related files or collaborate through WhatsApp. It keeps discussions tidy and makes tracking documents and feedback far easier. So go ahead, try replying to a sent document on WhatsApp Web today and see how smooth this new workflow feels.